So, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. So, hope y'all like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe down below. Guys, as always, I'm going to be posting every day, so make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. And guys, let's get started. Okay guys, so before we start, the ingredients you need are glue, borax or any laundry detergent, food coloring or paint, which is optional, a mixing utensil, a bowl to make your slime in, and last but not least is a container to store your slime in. Alright guys, let's get started making the slime. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to do is get your container and you're going to add your glue. So you can add as much as you want, so I'm just going to add the whole bottle. And you can use clear glue or white glue, but we're just going to make it a basic slime, so I'm just going to use white glue because that's like the really basic slime ingredient, like not like the cool slimes with glitter, you know, just making a basic slime. Okay guys, so now when you have your glue all poured into your bowl, now it's time to add your color. And remember guys, you don't have to do this. It's just optional. You can do any color you want. Food coloring or paint, something like that can color slime is not important. It just makes it just a cute color. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. Okay guys, so now when you have all your color mixed in to your glue and you like the color, now you're gonna add your borax. So I have borax here. You can use, just search up some detergents to make slime. Like I know some you can use baking soda with saline solution, Tide, liquid starch. Yeah, borax. And I use borax. I used to use other ones. I used to use Tide and liquid starch, but I like borax the best. But you can use something that can activate slime. And not all detergents work, because I tried it and yeah, it was not good. Okay guys, so in this part you actually want to be very careful because you're going to add a tiny bit at a time, or something's gonna come out like a rock. So guys, I'm gonna mix it now. Alright guys, so this is how your slime should turn out. So basically it should be very clicky and super stretchy. And if yours didn't come out like mine, maybe you did a mistake. But in some video I might be showing you how to fix sticky slimes and hard slimes if you're a total big beginner. But guys, now I'm gonna have some ASMR with this slime. Okay guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. And guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. And guys, as always, I'm going to post every day. So make sure to stay tuned. So guys, hope y'all had an amazing day and learned how to make slime. And guys, bye.